Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
awuzwakali Maforty because imic ifake
You're doing it
phansi.
again.
Namtu Maforty vele uyifake
Wenze ngaboma.
Uthembele ukuthi ngakho phambi kwekamera ube ihlomile sibile lokhuzenini.
Departure.
Asihambe 1 minute.
uMaforty
Yakwazi izinto engisuke endlini masala ukuthi yazisho yini imnandi but yekela ninhlamba.
Yeah, lami namhlanje zama ukuthi
No, but ngibatshelile ngathi hayi you are not the audience for that.
ndoda uzwile uCherwane sithi umama ke nguye owamsendela iclip yakho wena uzithi wachiya umfazi wakho le
ole
fatas.
fatas.
Wena ngathi wena. Egroupini.
Yabona.
Ndoda awusibona isnippet lesiya
Egroupini.
But nambuzithi kanti vese sikhuluma ngani?
No, sasikhuluma ngo-online.
sasikhuluma onani
Ukuthi
then-
wa-
So kulo muntu usendele kunina.
ngunina into le.
So mina ngithiwa nina abanye bayithanda i-content le.
Why did I come here?
Fikelani inhlamba.
But ngibonile
But
ukuthi
inhlamba siyareduce.
yes, sazama ureduce. Like ngibone i-comment ku-Instagram thiwa like thiwa mele sibe lama constructive lokhu ezinini conversations like ngani siyalahleka mele senze izinto eziyakhayo.
Was it constructive?
They lack structure.
Yeah.
Kuthiwa
Yes.
ile structure.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was ngolinda Masayire.
Ngaphi ku Just ngobadli.
Angikwazi izwe lomuntu wena lo liqambileyo but
But
I'm
we
sorry.
like
You know, even the
Structure,
pyramids of Pisa. You my pyramids of Pisa.
Kuthathi
Oh, Tower of Pisa. Hey, I was about to sound like
Pisa.
yeah. Like there's a slanting building. It's still a structure.
the
still.
leaning tower of Pisa.
Leaning Tower of Pisa, exactly.
But no, I think first of all
So you can say you don't have structure, even if it's not a structure you're used to.
There's the structure some genius. It's sure but. There's a structure it's a different thing.
but
Yeah.
mina all I'm saying is first of all I would like to personally like apologize. Yabo?
For in.
Like amachita madoda sicela ukurecord it.
Bye bye bakani. Bye bye.
Yeah, sikiye ngabo. So like benzithi ngathanda ukuxolisa ukuthi isound ayiphumanga last week all because ngadecide ukuthi ngimute uMaforty ngingakwazi. Ukuthi ngimute.
Sounds a little passive aggressive to me.
Yabo like ngantest ukuthi into zangikhona zisebenza njani.
Amangwane.
Like for
Sound
some
like God, don't it?
for some weird reason uMaforty bengimuzwa mina kuma headphone but it turns out ukuthi end result uMaforty bengazwakala. So sarecord that day and Maforty was in a good mood, bro. Like I don't think sizafa samthola uMaforty lwana esasilaya lapha.
Why nguma 41 that day?
Why nguma 36?
Why am I 36?
Why nguma 36, bro? Like sengifike endlini phela mina lapha starting the editing like process.
Uze-
Ithana muhla sishaye roadcaster like yonke grand vele le show kuthiwa road show.
Ngibonile bona xa ephashela leya. It's not you.
Ngo-Ralph.
I knew it. Vele ngathi kuba ngathi ngo-Ralph.
Ngo-Ralph.
The road show.
Road show senzama editor phela the road show, bro. Ngizwe uRalph yazwakala sibili hayi. Bathi ngapha uMaforty.
Ifoto ngalisa.
Uyinyezo ukuzwakala. Aniyazwakala but engazwakali. So siyathanda ukuxolisa for that. Ngithanda futhi ukuthi ngidisappointed kuma WhatsApp group members ye-podcast. Because i-WhatsApp group leya ngifaka like ama link every week bro ukuthi abantu banjani but react at least yabo but lately ngani ngikhuluma ngiyi-one. like ngani ngiyafakile inke group indaba omunye wama group members ukhona la aka-comment lu
Uyinachi. Man, I get the fuck out of here, man.
like I want to see afakile inke group indaba ukuthi no guys react phela or like or something
Let's get some traction.
but sengikhuluma ngedwa so from today ofuna ukubukela i-podcast ka so kayithole ku-WhatsApp yakwazi ukuthi itholakala ngaphi tholakala ku-YouTube
point ade mfungu yezela le ukuthi abantu ngeke bekhunjuza ukubukela i-podcast awazi to every month
because I feel like mina sing ngani ngithumela ama-link every week so ngani sengiyiforce ebantwini yabo like and khokena ke besokwenzisa ubuhlungu abantu nxa benga-react yabo so this week i-podcast
same place, same venue.
Same place, same venue. And with that being said,
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, what's
going on? What's this guy?
Two of the greatest podcasts on the planet. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yiyo lana ethi popopopo.
into eblind ngerodi ukuthi service introducer laphana then usavalelisa ama-stakeys ku-WhatsApp like I'm record and part raw
like we're doing this podcast shit I feel like Maforty ngiyothanda khonokho okay so babe like now we're about to
go shoot the
do the podcast I'm about to pull up so like let's chat later
ukhuluma zenzayo phela la
mina ngidala offline but anyways
mina ngo-online phela
welcome to the show
mina Candy Crush niyadlala uCandy Crush mina vele angicichisi phela
ngitshela ukuthi isikhokho vele
njengu 5000 and what 5318
sis4
yona wayigcina nini futhi yona wayigcina nini ngokulevel 5000
ungakhohlwa ukuyilate mic yona le
seyilayithile tshela mic
Kbrizzy ngiyakwazi ukuthi wasixoxela istory zakho zokuthi kwahamba njani uzophosa ukufa but I feel like abantu bathi sefuthi babekwazi Kbrizzy saphosa some loser guys bro what happened
isikhohli istory siya ngaphosa ngafa mne Kbrizzy what's the by the time this comes out I
think 2 weeks back let's just say 2 weeks back
weekend ye Garden of House
I
Garden of House yaphosa yasha umoya mina lo nije disol sesi missing my bad Jesus drive sathi si twitch ekhoneni lapha and then kwakulomnyuchomo edlalile eTareni umuntu omdala and I mean this little while wayehamba ebicycle but engano zamwenza izitanti
ezikholisele yiwine
echi impondo
engaluyekela impondo ngwe sithi pi ekhona ingene eTareni the more sisweva the more elanda imoto so imoto ezenza ukuphuma the other side eTara like we missed him ince igap engaka mina ngo passenger seat I was convinced ukuthi sabulala umuntu and luckily I think if it was me driving I would have made the wrong decision I would have gone left and I think if I'd gone left ngiyamshaya or maybe benya ngubhathi indoda uyazi we went right wasilandela ngamandla sabe simkhutha mina vela abana ngazenzithi laba sesibulela umuntu la
shit
sabe sithi here's the worst part sasiye Kbrizzy siya chayela Mgcini round so Mgcini asimphathela ama grocery lan then sasesidlula ngaphi Big Juicy Farms registered sabe siwamo ngamathendele okuyithuza kufaka ebhutini
Big Juicy umbi big booty though
ama chicken ama thick booty chickens but we say Big Juicy Farms
all right Big Juicy Farms
nothing is in order there's no structure
Linda Masayre things
so supervise ukuthi bathi get back to work
I think into lena mele siyifake is
yes
as an effect soon you get back to work
ngase lisekwe Maforty sepressa
inhlamba la niyastopha in guys
usaqhubeka
so imoto ithi breaker lapha ama city lana eback city collapse so nge-ABS ama city aveli hinge yakhona isekho that strong unhinge ke so vuleka iboot ama tendelethi imoto isaka 120 ndoda ko10 imoto abasiyasweva it was really bad bro it was so bad when we got out the car like veli inhliziyo yami ishaya And I was so mad. Mbona amajita amile lapha. So mina nhle ngithi balande direct. A1 inyakho nebhayisikile ngapha kwethara. Ithi isukumeli siyale. Ngibona isukumeli checka so. Lo liyano lo flopileyo.
Ndaba lusana.
Jikela ibhayisikile phansi. Lugijime lungena ibhundu. Ludle phansi. Mina remember yami sichibikisa imoto sibuyele lapha. Mina ngase ngiwalka vele. Remember yami sichibikisa imoto ingilandele. Sifike lapha sibona. Chomlo wasedle phansi. Study ibhayisikile thina. Khipha umoya. Ubambe siphosele emeveni. Sithi masisengena emotweni sikhona ithutsha umbe sizocheck icost sithi icost selikhiye.
Selikhiye.
Ngayifika lapha ngithi etha ithi ya. Ngithi ngothi uthofa ibhayisikile. Isithutha sekhezi savuma. Abesivuma isithutha sekhezi ukuthi isathi uthofa ibhayisikile mina wo.
Bela.
Turns out la futhi nganuleli hleli 1.
Oh wow.
1738.
So ngaboni. Engofethi wapha.
I say, what's up, hello?
Lokana ikobo kwenza into yakho yonke yabasethi. But yeah, atatandat.
Ufethi wapha.
Hayi, sapho ngumkhuza nje njengomuntu omdala. Ngamtshela ukuthi awungachaba abafana abancane. Kade sawusela boni. Silanga seli fucked up. Abafana sebekushayile. Ngento uzobonga uva isithuthe thale. Ungenzi njalo mntana.
Yeah. I thank God.
Yeah. That's one of the closest calls I've ever had in a car. Yeah, like top 5 dog. It was bad.
Hey, sake saba leyinye lo baba lapha no Ralph lapha. Wesilena nje yenzakala fani bro. Yabona lo Candy. Like selibonthi kwenzakala nani? Selisiya shaya imoto like.
So wona akusadzwenkeki la.
Akula umuntu oscreamayo.
Lala accept death.
Sathula.
Uma kulo muntu nje kwenza into stupid. You know, yabona we great like ongasohamba ukuthi everyone who's used to that road vele bedlule igijima. So ukudrive umuntu phambi kwethu who's not used to that road. Wabe slow was stop.
Watch emergency brake.
Yep.
And
then that side oncoming, so I had to try and brake. Ngemva kwakhe.
Awumchaya ngemuva.
Angimchaya.
ABS.
Yeah, I've got like crazy brakes, bro.
But
like
what
crazy brakes. But imindlela imembe ezathula ngayo because if I didn't see like close, I'm sure wasala a few millimeters mshaya.
Ayenzanga lento.
Exactly like ingani.
Alabona ubrekile lapha. Ubrekile.
Into enzithi imoto yathi singile ngizwa. Oh.
Zonke zakwazi ukukhuluma iradio yathula angikwazi ukuthi mysterious iradio yathula njani. Wonke umuntu wathi
kuleleziyana ezawa involved ku accident yamaqini. Ngibonga udriver ayizwathi bafethu laphila.
Kuleliyana majensi kaThomlo nebehamba ngemota isithi
uphuma
steering.
Ensale stress.
Laliyana my favorite was then enye ngisipakayo iliyana kaThomlo oyabe nganohamba lekhiwa lakhe babehamba itruck babengani bachaye ibhundu. But ithi ngasithi ba ubone liphuma ngewind. Okuyakho so lo chobo okhaya ukuthi ngani liwork ngani baqonde farm. I think babehamba itruck. But I think ikhiwa lesiyibamba kakhulu. So ngasiyibamba labana khanya ngokule camera phakathi. Uyabona emnyama ithi uyibona
ibambelele yeah ngiyikhumbula ngiyikhumbula.
Then ithi mayingani sithi bhasi bheka out Thomlwana wathi
waphuma ngewind. Yena leka member steering ethi ukuthi yathi similo ofake i-handbrake.
I think nguye ofake i-handbrake.
Imoto sichayelele nto lokucwila idashboard lama airbag member ofake i-handbrake.
Force of habit.
But when accident gawo ba isithutha majenzi.
No, I feel like
ba isithutha.
I feel like moment lapha yaswela into yokukhuluma. I remember esigela sasile trip, yabo? Sasuka trade fair lapha. So yabona lapha mawusuka trade fair usungena main road lapha. Ibhasi like yathi ngena so bro, and it happened ukuthi lapha enganhlezi khona imoto ikhombi ngayibona ithutsha so thina already sesemgoqweni yazi ikhombi yathutsha bra afika yashala lapha ngithule like yonke into yathi senzakala nganithule angizakhoma shit ascreamanga ngenzangani yafika yashala
ibrain ebisehle ukuprocess mfaka sokusarilo
mdala
ibrain ebisehle ukuprocess
but no otherwise uNkulunkulu
so lonke laba lintshela ukuthi laba lama near death experience akulo wazichemela akulo wasuzayo la
mina kulinye manje
ngakhuluma ku comment section ufodi bengasize salele vele uthi la
mina kulinye lami ku rush hour we umuntu we pedestrian we thought of the same item same direction to turn to the trilo lapha cause babe 3
kana Zimbabwe la pedestrian la
yeah bro it seems
Ama-pedestrian machina
those people were
ngabe-UK
3
ngalo
bro
kule
mina
walking
sengiphuze
lane.
emsebenzini so I'm rushing lapha
Machina.
the other two bahambe beku-center line where they should go because it's a double lane
Yeah.
oyi-one wabo wafikela i-good idea yokuthi ngcina buyele emuva mina sembafikele ngapha beniki i-space ukuthi baye nga-center lane
Umuntu ebesiyale.
bro adelelana ngafika emspan ngaqala ngatshuna i-coffee boss
Lento wayethwelethi.
uvalo lwantshaya ndodi ngapho zabulala umuntu ndodi ngwespeed engahamba ngaso vele wayezakufa
Mina I feel like hey serious lana la saphosa sahamba la ngamba lo my sister C2 sivele Vic Falls like Vic Falls Road la isasengani sharp indlela kodwa ngabe kucha ku sikhothi donke akula muntu okhuluma yini asixoxanga la ngakho futhi like into esekhuluma ngayo I think after some weeks ukuthi bar lapha na jeke ubonini into yapho seyenzakala la kanye la wayikhumbula ukuthi lapha saphosa sahamba lapha
So lonke lithele sayisuze.
Bona
Ngoba mnike
Tina,
ku-argue.
bona wasuze ngezinye lapho
we're going to Vic Falls. I think Sasa is really Buffalo Range. And yeah, as umuntu angahamba la nje kwayahamba nje. Yakajidora yanyathela imoto nje ngesipano nje. Kwayeqi i-antelope in front of us, bro. Yathi papa. Azi what a break emoto ngani yathi sokuthutsha amanye bro.
Vele kule moto zokubreaka ngazo. But kumele ubekwazi imoto ohamba ngayo ukuthi le asomoto yokubreaka le.
Yeah.
Ivithi asomoto yokubreaka.
ifit asowetha yakubreaka don't
Hayi
try
fithi
man.
ngasingcono.
Sasama
Ungaqali ubreaka lokuze nini. Uyabakhutha bonke uyedala enye ingozi kahle. Ungaqali. Kule moto kwazi ukuthi lezi ngiyabreaka ngazo. German ngapha.
Then my own mean and driver, bro. Do you know when's extend nxa upaka nje?
Iding alesi smash leso
Smash, yeah.
So I
Sabadala.
was parking in Ranex. Back then we had the Ranex. So nyapaka and vele nyapaka ngaba mama before yafika lapha nsi ngidonsana. Yen break vele my foot iku foot break apana vele akacithi nemoto vele sese 14 vele angazi ngenza njani njenga move unyona noma unyathela accelerate.
Amaccident afazi.
Jump bra. Kazi utaka kujumpa nje. Bude zoom. Njengapho ubona begijima nje bambona nje. Akashaya iglass leshop.
kula manga Maforty
Yenze kuma-40.
Yabona endaweni. Ungaphendula futhi ukutshengisa ukuthi yabona ukugoba la yimi iglass leli yabona lifike la yimi ngathenga iglass leli litsha. I am telling you.
Isteresije kodwa sibuya kahle.
Khetha manje.
yazi umuntu esithi content
ukuthi sengiyethukile ukwenzakalana within seconds bro. Sembona amajiti sebegqoka amavesi abayi-green ama-lime lawa.
Fast.
Sebegqoka vele abayi-lime.
vele sebezini
Yabona imarketing
ayena amabreki.
yabona imarketing abana ngosuqeda udlula imarketing ngene town ku face lokuze nini. A couple of years ago kuloma la ithwa ibuya khomba what ebuya ndoda itrade ebiphungu yaphuma yabiqonda umama ongayithengisa ngoba lokuze nini.
Shit.
And mina ngathi ngidlula into yakho engena 8 to 10 minutes qedwe kwenzakala.
Fuck.
amasala yamchaya yenzani
Angazi yamchaya kumbe yamkhuthaza wayelokhe lele kodwa I think wayelokhe ephila. But it was such a final destination type of umjini ezihambela itrade yaphuma yangena ishop.
ya khona yi-1000 ways to die
Ha.
nxa sowutholile ke
Bra kulomnye umembe esipano nje kanti ngilona nje kungumakiti bra. Ilife yakhe bra ama-accident akhe nje egangeni apha national park. Emaningi kakhulu. Kazi wabona i-Land Cruiser. Yabona i-Land Cruiser. Like those brown ones. Imagine i-Land Cruiser iswe right off iniphume iswi.
Yani yakho ye-vibranium very much.
Khonapho busugawuthi umuntu lo avonyezwa 40 kilometers per hour nje and but noyahamba ngobani nje egangeni ebusuku bra. Wayahamba ngobani ebusuku bra. Imoto isibe right off. Bra is no longer works because wenza imoto eziningi ama-right off.
just speaking of ama-accident ngikhona ngikhumbula RIP to Insimbi ZeZhwane
Wow.
Yo, yes.
like 2 Insimbi ZeZhwane band members killed in a car accident
RIP. There was ukuthi
Yeah, RIP to the bros.
yeah so
RIP
it's
to the
the
bros, bro.
co-founder and lead singer Elvis Eli Mate and drummer Thembinkosi Maviri
Maviri.
Offer
Ishaye maviri. Umaviri wayesenzani drum?
Unjeda yechaya
Ishaye maviri.
bathaya ku
Remember lezi ezebulala lezi.
Tawu ishoda kamakhathi.
oh babekhona
Na last time engikuzibona.
Etrethville,
First last time engikuzibona.
mina
Those guys are
amanga
crazy.
mabi bengingawazi like bengazayilalela ingoma zabo but I knew ukuthi bebe big kule show abake bayenza iphi indawo la Palace bekungabi lapha
Palace. They sold out.
They sold out, bro.
Leziyana zithambanga leziya.
There's no following, bro. That's a God is the following very. But you know what? That a tab breast.
Awufubona ukuthi ziblind.
Kodwa ngabali story
sawo. YouTube kwazi maybe kebe kule less than 1000 subscribers but TV le 88k. But
offer wena bebefuna ukubukela abalanda subscribe.
Ngabali story sabo, bro. What happened, bro? Yo, these guys were lost. Like they went to Binga when they're supposed to be performing in Marsh East. So they were now. But before that, they had a tire problem in Cholocho. They fixed it. They had a tire problem where they fixed it and then they were coming.
Shit.
And then the tire burst. And these guys were now going to Marsh East because I don't know how information was passed for them to say being event. Eventing.
So direction.
So they went to Cholocho to pick up. They left Bulawayo. We went to Cholocho, picked up my members.
Members are based.
So got a problem like Virin. Last sort of Viri kona Cholocho. Then you cross from Cholocho to Plumtree. There's a road there. Bahamba. But it was a Lupani. Yeah, Cholocho to Lupani. Then Lupani, that's when they had another tire problem. It got fixed again. So that's when they discovered, no, we are not even supposed to go to Binga or something. And I was supposed to go to Marsh East. So they were now on their way back apparently, and then that's what happened. And a week ago, people had gone after them for performing in Kai for event a ruling party.
Yeah, I saw that.
Insimbi ZeZhwane, something like that.
Yeah, because they took pictures wearing the...
And they performed in Kai. So they were going to perform at some by Dr. Samuel Parenya Gala. That's what they were going to perform. Yeah, when that happened. So an unfortunate thing.
It's quite unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
RIP. Condolences to the families and friends and colleagues.
I think the memorial memorial.
By the time,
absolutely.
But speaking of, like, Mgcini
Marsh East.
Mgcini, aka speaking of.
Like, yeah, I think interesting you could make a cool. So many telling you cool. But speaking of, into lazy ama artist is a performer. Guma rally. What's the take on ama artist endorsing ama political parties?
Artists
are
private citizens also. I mean, they have a view, they have an opinion. It's up to them. I remember in Nigeria when they were good luck Jonathan was vying for presidency. All these guys were acting, and some of the singers were even singing a song about him. So artists can actually take. Kenan was in the ANC.
My president is black.
But you can't really compare Kenan because Kenan would wake up ANC Twitter rant and ANC is done or whatever.
But all I'm saying is they are private citizens also. They have my views out. And if it was any political party, I remember, but any political party call them, they'll go perform. Music. So artists are private citizens who can feel free.
I think
unfortunately, Zimbabwe, you cannot come out as an artist supporting the opposition. You problem, you can't.
Zimbabwe is quite a crazy terrain because I'm an artist that have openly supported the parties. In the radio, like national broadcaster, they've been blackballed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But if you support
the other thing, Zimbabwe, Tina as fans, we don't have enough money to support them. Because I don't believe when Sibili is taking Atiako Lapo, Uslala would double story a case upon Brooklyn driver le fortune ukuthi ungathathi nonsense wena le enye uyibizelwa anzange ngathi ama political party ama nonsense but enye uyibizelwa i nonsense
ikhiphu le wenzele ukuthi abamase besilanda but mina ngathi lisakhumela mina ngathini kodwa eqinini lapha
so okunye ukuthi abantu bayabelambile boss uyabona utshelo labanye even abathengisa ku-third lapha it's not like befuna ukuthengisela ngemponta but khona kanti akulo umnyuse
$95 athole lutho
because like bemfuna ukubuza ukuthi do you think it's driven by genuine political beliefs or
money?
Nah, people are hungry, bro. Do you think Mayweather cares about Zimbabwe anyway?
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Money, bro. Money. And that's a khuluma lapha kuyishow sathi abaslanda siyabaziba advertise.
Yeah. Mina Kbrizzy ukuthi la athi fahla.
Awazama ukuthi ama-example elwanika ngiya-understand kulokunye kuthiwa kuhambe iperforma ku-event yakhona then bese kusiba loku-endorsa. Those are two separate things.
different things, yeah.
Like for example Insimbi ZeZhwane ihambe yaperforma ku-event yakhona.
Yeah, then Holy Tendo kick it ass like.
Labana bayenza like
Labo
they're not even
levels,
performing.
labo,
Yeah.
choose sport and
So
what they're all
kulokunye
supporting.
The difference with those
Send
guys.
and
yeah.
Ndebele.
As an artist, if you get booked somewhere, it's a good crowd. And once again, you point Ralph Wuti, artists anyway are not eating enough as it is. And then you get a chance. It's a good gig. It's gonna be a good crowd. I'll take it outside of because now here's what I think actually. Here's where I draw the line. Ungazibona political dispensation yakho uyithatha kumuntu njengo Kbrizzy. Vela kumela ngivote. If umuntu ochamakatari can convince you to vote for someone, then uvotela nama vibes. Then kumela ngivote vele.
True.
So kufanele
Yeah,
ukuthi kuthiwa abantu bengathi thina kushow le singenza so siyaye ngama youth ukuthi la ungazibona uyengo yithi dog.
Uyengwa
Awesome.
yini?
Awula sikhuluma
Thina sikhuluma isamba. Thina sikhuluma. Wakwakhuluma uKbrizzy. Thina sikhuluma
Mina
How to verse on time.
siyazikhulumela uTutankhamun thina la.
Tutankhamun.
Yeah, you're dumbass. You're dumbass if you're gonna wait for Holy 10 to tell you who to vote for, bro.
You see what I'm saying? That's
Dumbass.
I'm not saying Guti, but I'm saying, of course, as fans, people can maybe as an artist, if you get involved in polarizing matters like into the logos and we have a fully fan base most of the time because it doesn't matter what football team or what political party you choose. Half of your fans are on the other side. You know what I'm saying?
True.
But say you decide to choose, and if you choosing then changes someone's mind. When are you an expert in political matters? I think your political choice should be determined by, what's actually happening in the country, what's on the ground, what's this guy's agenda, what's this guy's agenda. I think.
Mina, let me get in and say, I think Zimbabweans in our so-called learned country, we are very immature when it comes to politics. What do I mean? If Holy 10 can say what Huchi or whatever he's saying, it's Holy 10's point of view. It is right. If on the music, anything else, it's his right. Reason being,
Plus, I'm going to
exactly. It is right. It is right. Same thing with
now it's your right to actually not like it. So everyone's fine. It's fine. Do your thing.
Now I don't even know why they will stop playing on radio because that's political immaturity. It is right. Let his voice still be heard. If you're a democratic country, that should be what it is. Where the artist Uzman unje.
Yeah.
It's up to that. It's a private citizen.
Actually, so.
Yeah, Maforty. Yeah, nyakuzwa and vele into ze political violence, political intolerance, lento ezinjalo like into is primitive. Akumelanga sibe into ezigizwa. But let me just like try and advocate for the other side. Abantu abasola ama-artist on laba baconsider. Zimbabwe tricky, bro. It's not like a state ukuthi even if ngaqoka ingwane red kumbe support i-clown kumbe support i-raccoon efuna ukuvotelwa, it doesn't change the price of bread. People will still go to school and still go to work. As Zimbabwe, there's a lot of shit happening, bro. If you look at the states, kunabantwana bahamba isikole uqanda njani ngalezi ngozwane phandle boss. So wena nxa ungumuntu esikuviewela i-content yakhe esikulikehayo, it's like we are spitting on our faces for supporting you nxa usuphuma to other side.
But again,
I'm just saying
point of view
I hear you. But then again,
abakho wrong labo at the same time.
Initially you spoke about the tummy. Umjaya, and as is popularly known, who has been supporting Umjaya financially, really? Those levels, guys, and all that. Financially, but where their money is.
That's even where the speaking.
Where their money is.
Podcast for.
Podcast for. Honestly speaking, all I know.
Podcast for ET.
Podcast
all I know. All I know is imagine this. Imagine. And imagine na pure money ngamachidelang. So for them it's money. They're dancing for their money.
So you see what you're personally saying, Kates, is equity other side. How can you advocate a decision that affects millions of people based on what when we are taller personally?
That's what
Listen. Because if you are in a position of influence, with great power comes great responsibility.
Spider-Man.
And we assume ukuthi la ubuntu and you have the ability to look out for the greater good. That's why people feel like they are being sold out. Dog, you are in a position to reach out to masses of people. You know our situation here was khalela, but you are overlooking ukhalela abantu for your own personal gain. And see, this is people's idea. This is what got us in this quagmire in the first place. You know, people looking out for their own personal gain. So you are just another person also just feeding this machine that is the problem.
I'm speaking reality. I'm speaking what exactly is happening. It's
Actually,
reality. It's what's there.
Yeah, but
that's what I'm saying.
That's what people are saying is the problem.
It can be wrong, but it's what's there right now.
But you agree with the other side of people.
That's much I agree, but we're laying out everything as is.
But there are people who have been offered money to do things they don't be. Fanana lo Jay-Z wayalo kuhlangana lo Trump wayalo kwenza Super Bowl. That was a lot of money, bro.
That was a lot of money. How much is this bill?
No. That was before he was a billionaire. Wayalo uhambe Super Bowl. Imali yana iza iningi kakhulu.
No, but Super Bowl don't pay you. Super Bowl don't pay you.
Yana komeni ibhadali Super Bowl, bro.
Either way, dog. There are people that even know.
There are people even so when nalibona ngani uGafa bazaye offer.
I know.
Libona ngani uGafa bazaye offer something.
Uthi uGafa uzathi uGakpo.
Bese
ngimathi how.
uGafa libona bazaye
Gakpo in the house.
Makes money.
It says a lot about you.
Gaffer
makes
makes
a lot
money.
about you.
But Gaffer wouldn't take that money because he makes more money by saying basically because he knows the crowd will follow. I actually think, this is my theory, right? I actually think Gaffer mwakona ngali. Yes, in there. This is a theory. Do you know why? Do you know why I'm saying so? Because in a country like ours, we know ukuthi ungapamanisa nje. Look at uKhonyeti. Look at most of the artists who have signed Bamlungisa. They've never even stopped him from getting his money. Mashwaka, apakona my chance.
Ndoza kule police lela afika la mjomleli Mike.
Mfana is onto something.
Askurumeni, police la mjomleli. Ngama check, yazuta smoking mirrors.
Theatrics.
But have they stopped him getting his money?
So right. This could be politics in there.
No, we're laying things as improved amazimbabwe side to know it was too much.
Mina ngiyakwazi ukukatisa nxa sikhuluma okukatisa ngiyanza
Okay, I'm saying it's like we all know this. It's up for us to see. Sometimes it's like
because lalela please izinto esizikhuluma vele already la izinto ezi out there izinto ezawukatisa wena ungabe unositshela ezinye izinto thina singazaziyo lezi izinto
like speaking of
bathathe Mr speaking of mina
but guys
bensithi I saw a comment from Enzo, is it Enzo Aisha after abantu beqalisa ukubhesha like uHolithendo Kbrizzy. He's saying my question is, what is democracy? Holy 10 cannot be cancelled. He's bigger than that now. It's too late. No one can ruin God Zim given talent. But what is democracy?
But to explain what is democracy is not like ye right yakho kuphela Maforty uthukhethe nofuna ukukhethe. The same democracy is a double-edged sword. I can also use that very same democracy not to associate myself with you after finding out you have fucked up beliefs.
True.
Yeah.
So democracy khona lifuna ukuthi lisebenzise side
But I have a question though. Here's the thing. Can you really cancel Holy 10?
Nah, bro.
I'm just asking. Can you really cancel Holy 10?
No.
Can you cancel it uGafa?
Jay, lalela.
These guys are making more money than usiswe to vuba uncancela futhi.
But the Maforty problem eliti you can't cancel and those guys are not making their revenue from the fans. If they're making revenue from the fans, uzabona a significant drop. But konokuyana ukuthi uningi uzathi boss nansi imali bathenge lezinto so kuba nzima.
I-basis of cancel anyway. Cancel it works in those environments where like 90% of the population is online.
Ngitsho mina bro garesi so umuntu mayengathi ufuna ukucancel i-podcast uyabezo sithathela equipment la like uyabezo sithatha unless iZulu Fashion now. By the way, we're coming into live from Zulu Fashion House. Yeah, Zulu Fashion House like yeah bisixoxile ikho kusicancela. Like,
but izulu fashion awusengathi ma-gents lina nganithwala lani abantu sebekhuluma kakhulu ngani phandle lapha manini ukubuya la.
Maybe that can happen.
Yeah, you do. Like, you tweet from our very own Twitter influencer in the building. The other thing that we're trying to achieve in Zimbabwe, the other thing we're trying to achieve is a Zimbabwe so comfortable that people won't have to cancel each other for political views. In the developed world, whoever is in office doesn't really change the price of the bread. So freedom of association is exercised. Yeah, bro. At the end of the day, kwesikufunayo, bro. Siyafuna ukuthi wena ubuye uzokhuluma ngeparty yakho ufuna ukuyi-endorse but ami mvumela ukuthi ngikhulume phela ngiyami kuthiwa yini
kufana lasegoli kulomuntu maybe uncle Vini umbone Gide lo Malema ngala ngisoze ngizwe nabantu besithi hey Vini
Gide lo Malema.
So tukugcizelela into ekhulunywe nguBudas la. We, especially when you ask questions like what is democracy, look at us usenzi ungani usenzi isithutha.
Yeah, sithi.
Usenzi isithutha. That's what he did, man. That's what he did. Let me gcizelela my opinion, bro. People like to treat these matters outside of context. Just pick it up from the environment people are talking about and just drop it in this law textbook. Who so as a right of freedom of association and freedom of expression or that. But don't say those things in the altruistic world. Talk about labes Pidakon. In other countries, the political button is not hot. You can represent whatever political party and still have fans. Even if you support the party, you go, I'm an example. Young Jesus, which our president is black. Would go Kanye? Yeah. War in Mecca, and he got bigger than ever. Because in other countries, I'm not saying
like I think in those analyses, apply a country, suit, bro. Suit. Like
Australia ama politicians ngobani but people are okay
yeah like vela balanda like yabo
athini hayi
lapha ke lahla boss
but mina
ubona ukhulu benza ama video ngeqiniso umthipha shakithi sa
ukhulu lona ngezokuthiwa ugcine recording ivideo esithi hayi angazi ukuthi mbano record Ezo record video sithi vele angikwazi ukuthi mbano
kwabe igoyike base
ngeqiniso umthithi sapu but mina I just want to put out our political landscape is very volatile and
yeah it's treacherous
we understand that part
yeah
but mina after that Umjaya did what he did and even my sister with cancel up and all these artists mina my major worry
likhulume libekwazi ukuthi abantu bona laba abanye siyafisa ukuthi babe bazoba interview
no but
I'm just saying
but I'm saying ukuthi reason I'm saying
just kade sikwabe nice corner to people ngefuba office asimbizeni but the problem to we chai riga
nango what
but the problem
chai riga
okay cool we'll talk to the manager after the show
good cool
so mina
plus futulelo kuzenini ule fata but so mina what I'm saying is but there are things though in as much as they are supporting the political party they want but there are things I feel like you don't disrespect abantu in the general public when you support this because the moment you endorse a party you're endorsing any and everything they are doing even if you're not directly involved you get it endorse a party whatever that party does even if you don't believe in it but when very soon endorse the good and the bad there's this house that was given to a guy most recently. The guy was given a house last weekend, I think, or last week. By no, it's public domain. Yeah, he was given
a house. But this guy came out of jail last month or 2 months ago.
For rape.
Amnesty for rape of a 10-year-old. Or was less than 10. And this person was given a house because he said, Uzbani Uchi. You get my point? And so when you say that loud, you're saying the same thing that a pedophile did a rapist say? I mean, come on. You get my point? I feel for me.
But mina umbuzo wami sinxa sisuka ku politics ngoba sakatso ngiyalitshela ngani
Kazombani kade?
sesikukota ukukatso
Kazombani?
but sembuza ukuthi what's your price
For what?
It
endorsement
seems everyone has a price.
seems like
Clearly.
everyone has a
Yeah,
price
clearly.
like into engayikhuluma bro
Clearly.
Twitter mina I was like abantu i-team abantu bafuna ukuyijoyina like bonke umuntu yafuna
Ule price yakho
ukuyijoyina
kuphela.
wena umelele kuphela i-opportunity yakho ukuthi uphepha ngathi Alvarez uHaaland laphana sediniwe ngena la uplay lapha yabo
But at what cost?
Yeah, so I guess then that means it's not even about believing in what it's just to get paid.
all right please
You're being selfish.
karesi sihlala
Exactly, it's being so.
let me say Yugoslavia I'm the president you are the influencer ufuna malini ukuthi ngikulokhuza ube ku party yami like
Nxa ilambile uBreeze uzathatha imali.
Ungubreezy kathi wena.
Nxa ilambile. Nxa ilambile uBreeze uzathatha imali.
I don't think it even works like that. Ungaza ukuthi ufuna malini. Labantu babuzwa yini bafuna malini.
Babuze bathapha.
Because wena uyabungiyela dude. Umuntu ongabuza ukuthi ufuna malini nguJay-Z ngoba uyawasika kuncengi.
ngelo wena ulayo so when you're not in a position ukuthi ukhuluma
You're making demands.
Because I only have 500 yathatha.
500 what?
Do you know?
Nah, but
I'm-
500 past.
bro, I've seen people take less.
Imali le ikwane.
I'm sorry, I cannot say the names. I cannot say the names of these artists.
Lokhu ngiyakwazi.
Mina, I cannot. Guys, I cannot say the names of the artists. Labo kobulawayo. I cannot say the names. But
Maforty ukephinda ngoba ngani ufuna simncenge ukuthi khuluma for.
no. I would never do that. But here's the thing. These artists were at some point seen wearing a t-shirt. Patronale, what. Ungawabuza baba mamalini. Maybe la $20 abathola. I'm telling you.
Okunye anti ukuthi bali promise
Twani. Young people for young women for ED. Babe kono abanye kana lokunye youth for what babe kono artists from Bulawayo. Ungabona kada esibazifana le ato Maforty kona.
But libonile video ka Jose Mourinho wishing the biggest club in the country.
In the world.
Vele sasifuna iseat khathesi.
Laka lezi Jose Mourinho khuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs.
Bese singakafiki la. Ndake la muze khuluma ngabo Al Ahly labantu
Egypt ukuthi Jose la atele prize wayiniwe.
hayi
Ungathenga uspecial one wena.
You can buy the special one. You can buy the special one.
Lingasitshela amasiko.
You can buy. I can actually pay Mourinho to come and make an appearance in Zimbabwe.
So wena ubona ngani thina iqembu
Akalila mali.
kulokuthi sithengele umduwa indlu. Isithathe sabhatha uMourinho uthi khulume 1 minute.
You can't even
Don't
afford Maforty.
disrespect us. Thina cheyisidlala idisk lokuthi uMourinho bese officeini yakhe. Wezokuthiwa Mr. Mourinho sir. There's an undefeated team in Africa. What is what?
But he was making Mourinho was making a speech for his friend
Highlanders.
Yikho phela.
Asiyali.
Uqhatshwe yithi kanti.
Asiyali. Kanti siyamkholisa.
Umngane wakhe phela kabuye nge-charity la.
Wena kuthi mic yakho cause yabona Maforty ngathi uzama down player yini.
Uyasidile
I'm
Maforty.
not downplaying anything.
Shut up. Uzakhuluma next. Siyamute.
Yeah, siyamute.
Yakhuluma next topic.
There's a democracy here.
Limbolo the special one is it Highlanders.
Highlanders. My
Awukulela about special one.
But manje
Sokushoto Ronaldo kuphela.
kungaba tricky ukuthi
Neymar mkazi.
sikhulume into ezinjalo siqalise kunanko the way.
Lathi la draw phela ekurumile.
Abantu badraw besivile sila.
Yama draw vile.
What's visually libona iclip engipost leyo majenzi ukuthi ipost singiyamanika.
Mbonile lo yo.
Famela abanye yo.
Speaking of yo futhi. Kare ukambe njani ngezitulo? Amakhiwa
They made a song. Didn't I send the song on the WhatsApp group? They made a song, bro.
I watched those videos at least like 30 times each. That thing is beautiful.
Yeah, the thing is crazy.
There's a comment. Oh no, Tumelo. They thought niggas don't know how to swim.
For velo wabonakala Twitter man.
Swim. Remember lathi waphuma ku cruise Jake.
So
phuma ku cruise ship esemsindweni.
So abangakwaziyo
Yeah, just to give people context.
Just to give people context.
Since I ate the food video, like, as we
I've
talk
seen all
about
the
it.
angles. I've seen all the angles. From where it started, I've seen all the angles, bro.
So we say Alabama.
Montgomery, Alabama.
Montgomery, Alabama.
Uproduce uthe bhala ukuthi Montgomery. Ngizitshela ukuthi mebukhuluma ngeMontgomery khona la. Mina kwenzakalile kathi eMontgomery.
Get away wena.
What happened?
Emoto Komelo Park. Bathathela imoto lapha emoto Komelo Park. So emoto Komelo kuthiwa
Montgomery, Alabama.
So in Montgomery, Kenya, there's a docking area. The video is going to be there, I guess.
Yeah.
And then this black guy, who's people are saying he's not a race matter, but I think it turned into a race issue fast. So he's one of the security guards or whatever works on the dock, one of the dock workers, and was asking this boat of white people who were shirtless and wearing khakis to move their boat. So he cruised line aliana the Harriet. Which is crazy, bro, because it's named after Harriet Tubman. And then it ended up in a racial war, I assume. So, these guys were asked to move. Hey, they were asked to move. I went,
And they swung at the second.
No, you went. Apparently, he left the boat where he was on. Why I said I move since we had a same move. That's when they came in and started.
So what happened was it was like 5 or 6 white guys started beating up this black guy. And then he sent up the bat signal to all willing and capable black men. What? About a week ago.
Yeah, when did you change your
What is that also? Here we go again. I first two cruise.
It's like you wanted to run.
This guy,
You ever seen the angle?
This is what I like, bro. There's a shift in the culture now. It's not an issue where someone can see a bunch of white guys beating up a black guy and say, what's going on over there? Random people just thought, oh, what's And then he just ran over there.
You look at it, told him you to chala.
You know, Mama, what you want to do? Mama, Guinea, Mama, black, our Puma, like that's a child, Mama.
Our time I was still chair stone cold to the security.
You can't remember the teaching. I never let on with Dr. Strange. So
Yo, I saw another one. On your left, nigga.
Captain America. Avengers assemble. No, you take the small and give me the big one.
I'm so proud, bro. I'm so proud of what those blacks did in Montgomery, Alabama.
But the chair, bro.
The
chair.
There's
a lady with the camera. Yeah, there's a lady with a camera.
Nice.
And there's a lady with a camera. I had the sound effects. Normally, they pow! Pow!
I was still chill when I'm going to Did you see there's a guy already got a tattoo? Yeah, it's Tulo. It's 5 August.
There are people wearing back, but the picture is Tulo.
But I'm thinking I check out my archives. It's still the last. Yeah, last.
They made a cartoon. They made a cartoon about that chair and Kuluma. They made a cartoon. Did you see it? An animation of that chair in Kuluma. Each other will be teaching asses, they will be teaching everything.
Look at it, was beautiful.
If my cousin was here, I want to say later, I said, Lava Virilis.
I know what he talk about and complain. Oh, Karen, we will complain online. We are condoning violence.
Yeah.
I know people are they like to address things out of context. Like a bunch of black people defending a black person being beaten up by a white person is just violence. It's not. It's clearly racially charged. You know what I'm saying? We all know what's going on there. Now we can try and downplay it and say what is democracy. But we also, what the fuck was going on?
But those guys are now charged, eh? I know the 3 guys.
They've
been charged for assault.
That's a proud bid. You take that
Yeah.
one, boy. You take that one like a champ.
Esitulo vele zahle zayisubject.
It's still very what's up.
bayibamba nje ngendlela athanga amasala wanisitulo ngesitulo bra
Lona wehlezi phansi go fucked up.
bro
Oh, lona umjito wesilwa is fine. But umasala lona wehlezi phansi.
why is it defeated but masala why is it
Bro,
defeated
remember leni isila ma anybody can carry it vibes vele.
Vele abantu
Lo munye
anybody can
umnyama
carry it.
ngawo wayimisa
Wayilight.
Labana walikiwa, it was just a bad day to be white. Imagine that.
wabona ikhiyona pusha angene emanzini umama lona egqoke uyiwathi wapusha angene emanzini
mbani engacabanga ukuthi danger lingafika emhlabeni lo esiphila kiyo.
bro the world is
I
changing
couldn't
man.
think that in the I don't think it does much anymore. Anyway,
world is
But
changing,
anyways, uJose Mourinho wasifakela lapha namashala.
lele lo dikhiwe ngesidi cha. Yeah, obvious lo mdala. Come on guys.
Yeah, lo mdala.
Good luck.
I guess that's where when the white person is the coach
Ususithini kathi.
Eddie May
No.
ngikhuluma ngo-Eddie May guys
Ususithini.
Ngikhuluma ngo-Eddie May. I'm saying
There's always been
when
popping.
I mean Eddie May nguye ucoach wawe nama-titles amaningi I'm lying
Usithethisa.
Am I
Siyayazi into
lying?
icho lo Raman.
lo Raman lo bani omunye
uRaman uzokhiwa. uRaman kumbuli
lo
khiwa.
Methembe lo bani
Oh yeah,
the rest haven't been giving you
Azongela mduwa lapha man.
But ngibonile
Ukudlala
kuzenini.
i-team ka-Akbay lana iphekile.
yeah le-Akbay you see
Ngibonile kuzenini kule ngoma kavusa mkhalo Freddy Gwala. Highlanders.
yeah I saw yeah
Ngenza imistake yazi ngalalela ingoma lena mvele nje mntakwethu
Uthe
utanzania
wenzani?
kumele ngiyilalele kahle
mistake.
ngathi mana ngilalela ingoma le but ngandakiwe into engangidake lapha vele ngafuna so angikwazi ukuthi ngiyutshwala engomeni boss I was drunk bro yeah when you drunk lanto yalale embhedeni bona uyahamba
Maye mina theki ngadakwa.
Wow.
Ngalala endlini. Ngafika endlini ngalala. But ngaphupha lokho ngibuya ngivele bhawo. Ngathumeka ephuthweni lami theki.
now you're lying bro
Dog, I dreamt I fell asleep driving home from where I was driving. Ngaphapha malokani ngisit ngithi ngobona asengifikile. Because the minute ngiphapha ngazibusti ngithumeke ngaze ngene endlini. I was bad.
yeah
But I know
so I need to listen to this song again now
yeah, I think this is I think it's on my way home.
yeah
But as a podcast, I would like to congratulate Kbrizzy for hosting the Garden of House.
We chat up.
Yeah. That was a job well done, dog.
Danko.
Sasiwe sabile. Samba.
sasifana ingane zathi yo what up
I remember.
Yeah, it's cute.
I remember sikhuluma lo Raf sithi uzakwanisa. I mean,
engomgcini uthi okay Bruce zathi where my bitch is at
one of my pictures.
You know where the hose at?
Yeah. Into enzetha.
But yeah,
There's
you
a point lapha esithi bangani bami kulo muntu opake kubi ngalo
Amathi engalaleli nto.
so abantu babelokhe beyali ku-responda then le yasitshune strategy ukuthi kulo bhuti we-Toyota kulohlangiso lipushele
It was the only way we get people to move. Hey, uyazi ngokusenziwani? Abantu babelokhe benilanda ngoba senzama ukubalekela abantu. Ngiyaqasha ku-crowd abantu benilanda. Benike so ilist ezimoto kuthiwa enye isi-scratch wenye isiyenze. Ngingene stage. Benginika amapikitshe nansi imoto ngifike ngithi hi guys number plate ngibona abantu bamini bangikhayela i-red light abantu be-continue awamthi ngibona uthethile ngibona ukuthi kana bakuhamba njani
play
But what were your like highlights or moments that party
from Garden of House? Yeah, so on the what was the date?
Sunday.
6
Sunday the 6th of August,
Yeah.
Ibulawa Events did a Garden of House. It was the 4th edition of a Garden of House at Southern Cross Estate.
Yeah.
It was spectacular, bro. It was actually my first attendance.
And
Ngathi ngajump ilayini.
the boys were looking clean.
The boys were looking clean. Everybody
Sifake
came out.
picture won't like gqoke njani?
Hayi, akuna pictures ifaka because alithatha ngipicture lila
No,
mimi.
sizafaka ivideo lana popote ukuthi why wawungekho kulokhu izinto.
Yeah, vele. Because I was really not happy. Every time ngihambe stage niphele ngithiwa amajita sepho ngiswipe. Etropa.
entropari
Kanti etropani kahle. Ngisuke ngihambe impela ngisize etropa futhi. But it was really professionally organized. Bro, do you know mina I've been to so many shows. You know, I've been doing shows for at least 10 years. Of course, I'm COVID. But like my first real professional show, I think it's 2013 in Namibia, where I was opening for Kbrizzy Kidex. So because of that, I've been around enough like backstage access to not
Yeah.
You know, you get used to it after a while, and nothing really
Yeah.
stands out. Global standard. But this one, for me, felt a little different. I felt like it felt really intimate. Maybe it's because I knew most of the people there, or what, but it didn't feel like I was just here to. For me, it just felt like a bunch of talented people hanging out. That's what it felt like. Because everyone back there knew each other. I'm actually dish. So I'm saying quite a stage. Vibe. Hey, how far? So because of that, bro, it really, for such a large scale event, it really felt intimate for me. I don't know about other people. And it felt like, attention to detail, or Anne, Ashton, Shannon, it's really amazing, bro. It's really amazing. It was a spectacular event.
I think ngingathenda ama-event anjalo into engichaza ukuhlangana labantu abalandela ama-social media pages ethu abalaleli i-podcast like
because abayevenele i-commenters hlangane lani zikhona nje zinjela sithi mina ngihlala ngikhomenta nje
yimi uzibani ethi what
siyabonga gents. That's also a beautiful thing to actually have a culmination of different angles of quote unquote the industry. Ukuthi abantu be-podcast sebehlangana nabo DJ labantu bama-events and then we're all in one place and then like kanti mazela ngathi
podcast
and then
DJ.
Yeah, that was really nice. It was
Anyway,
yeah, got my photo ngamba.
I was in Gwanda. I told you I'm traveling. I was in Gwanda. There was a family day thing that Abango Babazala were doing. So we went there, you know how the thing was going. So we enjoyed ourselves. I had my nephew. I last saw him last year. He came to the country for that event. So we're enjoying, man. We're enjoying ourselves. Then drove back at night. But
Ralph,
Garden of House.
Garden of House.
Garden
for me. I didn't smuggle anyone in.
Actually, kule ndaba lapho sayalelisa ungene Garden of House ngoba kunabanye ubhuti abasimaglana ini
last time
babuya bazohleka kushow le abantu beGarden of House babukile mina ngathona imessage kwathi awukhuza umgcini ngathi
Karoti angwenza this time around mba.
You do this again.
Bengakusmagla uyafunda lo ukusmagla abanye futhi.
You do this again. You do when
bro. The show was crazy, bro. Yeah. It was fun, bro. Nije set, bro. We're making Guinness station post.
No,
umakina waposa wawa lapha unase imbone sifa lapha
umake even nxa ngigida vele all the time posiwe anyway
yeah it's the height when I look in the stage sangona sasi
it's small futhi ukuthi I got to lead futhi akhona lapha usecengo stage lapha ukuthi environment lapha ngasabonda
lapha wena obuya umvalelisa wena umvalelisa
amna mvalelisa
bro I had to be driven home bro
wasukuthi driver talk
so lapho abantu zomvalelisa vele kwasokumnyama
ngasaboni boss
remember umbenza ukutshela ukuthi kulosisilwana like kulosisi wena ohamba la wathi uhlala eline
kulosisiwana okhaya futhi
no like umfazi kaloku zenini umakhelwane
usindi
dog sabiza lo Rico
besingafuna
it was crazy simzwela dog kulosisi wayesenokha ndo
anyways kulosisi
anganoki
kulosisi wayelo
okay wayese
ule condition
wayese ku 99%
story usisi wayelo Breeze thina sasimbone ekhuluma lo Breeze yabo wayesengani gasazwakala into azikhulumayo bro sithi sisiyafa ane ngowenthi la sokuyilahla la
utshana bedaka kenza akwazi kanjalo
wayese babemchile kumbe iJemas yenini kumbe babemchileni bro way1 lokho ehlezi lapha ngathi la mana ngihambe ngenjani mana ngitshela umuntu engimbone behamba bonke yabo
babiza uRico mina komba legend
thucha ngapha Breeze ngani sokuyilahla ngani lona jomba la lwathi usesenza isidela uBreeze athamba utshela uRico boys yakhe sifike kuRico lapha uRico mina Rico uBreeze uthe ngikhuluma ukuthi usindi seqalisile
hayi
hayi ibizo la guys
hayiselkat
seqalisile ungakhatha ischeme sami lana vele ngizomsendela iclip enale
Rico yathi hayi yathi ndoda ngumfazi wakho namuhla ngumfazi wakho ambobona wena ukuthi uzenzani mina vele leza angizingeni then it happened
It was
ukuthi
crazy.
the
The
person
other
scored.
thing, we had the good dog.
Yeah.
The other show.
Vele benze siyakhona ukuthi
Yeah.
udog wayelabangani bakhe amajita ama-doctors yabo yikho amajita lana afika khona kanjani bamsukumisa lapha uSindi ukuthi abethwe ngumoya yabo
Yebo.
bamnika ihaka awusindi beyaqasa ukublashe seyakhe udokotela ongumemba yikho lapha ngani like waphika khona yabo yikho
awusindi nje wathi efika lapha wayesekwazi ukuthi wathi ebone mina ohlobo kwazi ukuthi uBreeze vele uzangishiya ngikhaya yikho yathi yabulalela vele ekhanda vele but anyazi njami vele i-rockstar
Surely i blind ngokuthi we have to mix day drinking le night drinking. When day drinking chat ukuthi uyenze then subuyele endlini masika. But laphana it just you know just connect.
uyamunatha wena
Just connect.
ngazisuka
It just connects to the night
udog
show.
wayekhona ngani namhla akho la
Ubethe
abuya
phela
phela
khona
ngikhuluma
ndoda.
yebo
these things
udog
sometimes good sometimes shit.
But kwaku PR podcast was out there.
Yeah,
you know?
like abantu abakwazi
Public
ukuthi
out,
udog wayekhona
Yeah.
thina into esikwazi
vele
we had
abamazi
fun.
vele
abamazi
abamazi
so yeah
So we're doing it again this Saturday.
So this coming Saturday, but by the time this episode comes out,
yabe sedlulile
yabe sedlulile. Nxa wakhuthalele usukhuthalele izinto ezinhle ziyakukhuthe ebulawayo. Because these are the
and again
events.
I'm traveling so
Siya kumurumba beach futhi. And it's
I'm traveling again so
Murumba.
it is what it is man.
and into zama-40 but
Ithini,
lesethi ka-Ryan Synth yeah was qui
I'm a superstar. Yo man, there was a lot of professionalism that day.
even lama-DJs lana ashala ikhemini laphana abantu
boys
Master
in
M,
issues.
kwakulo Fritzy, kwakule Soul Identity, kwakule
Ufresh point DJ kamSK.
vula phela kuma-notes anto obhalile
Gents,
It's true.
mina ngikokubuza ama-gents u-DJ abechaya laphana umoneni kwetubetsa but isound ayitshintshi like you still the same song but abelokhu esenza
kanti wena uthi
Uyakwazi
masibamba
ukuthi-
masibamba lapha lo Tumelo lapha
Uyakwazi
zilokhu
ukuthi-
ezinhle.
njani kathi
Kunengi.
Mana
Kodwa.
kune example Maforty. Uyakwazi ukuthi like ilokhu zinini the things ukuthi nxa ziyenzakala kuhle like clockwork they just go unsaid but the moment kusenzakala
Itharara.
iseceleni
Uzayizwa.
that's how you see the importance like uyakuzwa umuntu ochaya amabhiza yikho bona konqakatheka ko DJ yabe lokhe
Once you go see a really bad DJ, then you understand.
Then you
Why labana
understand.
bebamba yonke into kodwa ingoma kuyi.
Plus Maforty.
Iyabitshelela ngoba because ubusy
Mana
anyway.
ngitshengile like mana ngikwenzele example like kufanise lokuthi u-DJ mayesenza kwenzalo kya ufanana lelo kwizini lo cansi
I knew
even loku driver like ungaze uphume emotweni usithi driver lo driver kuhle
like
but
like
driver kuhle zaphuma selisithi member lo driver masimba
yabona wena uma usenza whatever kwenzayo awenzile kuphengumo phela maybe nqomo khayile phezulu like yabo ku moment yabo like yabo bamba amabhathani shintsha amagia yabo usenza yonke into yenza yabo
I know again
and then like lapha na mayelo kuza my DJ lapha
Labana
feel like
besithi
yabe ku
nipple,
moment
butt crack, slap.
pa
Bebe ntamo. Uyabe imolest ingoma ngoba
kule kuba 40 kuba
80s bono.
yeah
Lizwile utawuni shethi so my DJ yabesenza besithi nipple bono s. Ayifake.
unijendo wafaka kule vocal alifakayo so phezulu kwelinye beat le Afro House ngabona abantu bephosa ukukhipha impahla mfana
Ari kulo
nije wokulala nto
kule angazi mbe remix kumbe uRyan wayefake i-acapella ku lana udonsa maluma
exactly
Kantshomi
yikho abanye
kamalume.
DJ abaye bekwenza
Ntshombi kamalume
Ntshombi kamalume.
o DJ aba professional Maforty
Sikhupha ama lyrics.
Maforty o DJ
Uthe
aba
ntshombi
professional
kamgcini labana.
they download ingoma i-DJ pack
okay
so ingoma nxa i-DJ pack yebile vocal kuphela then ile beat kuphela
okay.
so DJ blind njengezingabo PH uyathatha ibeat lona lika ngonkavalunge afake vocal ka KO
okay
abathi kumna
so thina silayele verse sesihlanye khona ba
lamunye DJ emaziyo ukotwane you do it yourself yazilungisela yini acapella
Yebo.
yazikhiphele ni
oyazikhiphela akadingi ma DJ pack
yazilungisela
and yabulala
and abebhaliwe phela abebhaliwe lana ukuthi umuntu uzenzele yabhaliwe kulo DIY yeah DIY
My gents, let's also actually take a moment to clap for the fact that that entire event was local. There wasn't a single international act. There wasn't outside backing ngibulawa yiyo izipheleli
mina into emba-uploada ngayo is how you can have people turn up from like 12 noon
to 10
p.m. without one piano song, bro.
No international.
No piano, bro. No piano. No piano.
Line-up leni buyibulawa. So sesingakhuluma ma-Gen-Z team.
Tunisia so lapha ngazi ukukhuluma.
All right. My point is
Niger is an international DJ.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't know.
My point is industry code. Of course, ICO there is consistently. People don't have the kind of money to do something like that every weekend so that we get a culture and the vibe going on. But when people do show up, they do show up and they show out. Even Noguzeni never has international acts, does it? Emergency.
Yeah, emergency.
See what I'm saying? So we have the
emergency boy code.
Emergency boy. Shut up. You know, njalo kumbone vele kwa my events. She's actually cool like that. We attend my events. Yeah, she's really good.
Emergency, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Yes, ngeni samaran.
Asingeni mahara thina.
And also, I think Ikadonov also proved which you can actually have like a good event without throwing in amapiano songs.
Yeah.
So it should also be a lesson to like local DJs. Which sometimes you don't have to.
But the locals has been doing. There's something strange. Those guys are doing. They do house on Sundays. Which is kind of say Queens lapana. Yeah. You have Chayo. Or deeper, or Cox.
There's a solar 10.
Or
smartly.
Yeah.
We're good people.
But they do amazing.
So we encourage them to our DJs. Also, don't always think that piano is the way, because sometimes we need a break from.
What's this love pajama?
I want to talk.
Bahleni.
Isidelele imbali mall. Sesuka la. So we have a pajama la.
Ngizizwa ngitelelekile ya.
I say beautiful.
Anogeni is caught is a pele bonnet.
Anogeni
anyways, study reveals happy couples are less likely to post their partners on social media. Before we go, do you think? Hey, tell one about hip hop posting on social media, bro.
Well, I can see ukuthi kulabanye abantu manje tshela something. Kulabanye abantu abapostela ukuthi siyakubona ukuthi ule target market yakho. Uzama ukushine namba ama ex ukuthi sengihappy. Yabo, sengithola indoda lemota. Siyalazi, sebesibukele manje.
Yeah, kulabanye abantu abapostela ukuprove point.
Yabo. So lokho sengivuma ukuthi overcompensate. You know what I'm saying? Kulokho ukuposta kwamjolo khanya ukuthi so kusema ukuthi genuine dog obona ukuthi ngikhamelo Mrs out for a nice dinner. If I don't post that, I'm had a nice day. No mfazi wami simple. Hlala what. I know cause lami ngayakwenza. Uyafika kwenye point la ngani upostela ulaka.
But I think ungapostela ulaka uyabusuzitshela ukuthi abantu vele sebe expect content every week.
Yeah, but
ikubona abantu bayabenza lo can't even i-relationship yakhe like iku-rough page. They'll just make it a point to just post.
I feel like i-break up yomuntu ade posta kakhulu i-relationship ibuhlungu.
Aleni fact.
No relationship yethu sonke. Yethu sonke.
What happened?
Involved like la comment
la kuphuma ngesande siyabuza DStv how far. So lawa nxa usibukela i-relationship siyabuza how far iphasela lezi.
Ama TikTok challenge.
Maye.
Lisithi uchede thuche.
This is why
ngiyafisa ukwenza la. No chede thuche la.
But
it looks nice.
This is why I've never posted any of my girlfriends on social media.
Ama TikTok challenge uchede thuche.
And in tears.
Maforty is saying
I was saying, I don't post anyone I'm dating. I've never posted anyone I'm dating on my social media, even on my status or anywhere. I don't do that.
I'm not poster mina.
Me, I don't.
Ngoba mina ngithandana busisa bahle. You niggas must know what I'm about.
Simple.
Yami point ukuthi into lezi I don't think zile for me. My energy ngivuma TikTok kenza TikTok waliposta na post
bring ifuna la
noma postile noma postanga
Because labanye abafostayo futhi kuchetha nthuche lapha yebo ku cringe
Noma lingenze nisibhale kuma-Facebook. Siya enjoy.
depend on energy.
so depend on energy.
yeah but ngiyafisa
Abanye futhi into zokuthi thanda bathatha ama picture ama videos kule video lana ithanda ethutshilela lana ele
Mrs. Khohla
Wazwaqakeza man, calm down. Calm down.
yawazi ngikhulumayo
sponsor sakhohlwa
yawazi ngikhulumayo
Abazume into
yawazi into ngikhulumayo
kulomuntu
utheni
ndoda kulomuntu ohle wangitheka ku Twitter wathi le imele sikhulume nga bese
Sile structure lapha just cause just cause sila structure doesn't mean isikhuluma abantu abale structure kufela all the time.
yeah
Frustante.
bese revenge comment ile asayifila
yeah man
Thina sifuna that
Ukhona kamanga la.
no like just to give people context to sikhuluma ngani
lamaqoyibana.
Awakhombeli mina. Anso ngikhulumile.
kukhulunywa nganye lokho nginodithi like esike sayibona ku social media of sex tape ka Sign Bushi Bushi
Utangu sign ngiyosiyani unavela ngikwazi. Anza ngimzwe khulunywa vele.
Sign Bushi
Ngikuthi vele ngakudumeza ubuntu wase.
Bushi
Oh Bushi.
yo
Yana evil D.
she was not blaming Prince
phela
KB.
mangina bosayini.
She was blaming Prince KB.
yeah
Okay, people ngozipho. Ngozipho
She was saying Prince KB is one that leaked.
but our detective bathi uzipho endumbeni lafana.
Ngolwakhe. Uzipho lakhe lo lelo ngalolo mzila somnyama esini.
Eceleni kwekhu.
mina ngila like into engela problem la ukuthi kule goose baningi abantu abale goose like right now abantu abaswi I'm sure bakhona abantu abalale podcast leyo abasibili abale goose
I'm just wena usukumayo
but lokho zenini but I texture yini like
Yeah, mina nami ngithe yakwazi J.
njalo
Issue lapha bengaso
Brush.
quantity
Brush.
or
You know,
ngani design layout lapha.
Ikama would have just solved a bit.
But ungabona usukama vele.
ndoda le kama lapha na vele ibingachuni lapha
Anoke nithi kwap nge-tail comb.
lapha
Telkom.
lapha I think ukufuna ibeard oil
Ngafuna ukurecord.
ndoda
Mina lama I don't think much sasabona okunyoka kulamabush.
Hayi kuthi usign la problem yakhe kuthi nitshone usign phela sake sakhuluma ngayo ku podcast le embuluze lapho sithi hey ne yakhe kumbe 50k 100k sithi kumbe imalini qeda lapho sesithola ukuthi ihlathi la khona isoka city yankoni lo tshani
insimo kababa ayivundanga
hayi
Look at check you want this struggle beard. Ndo yabona struggle beard.
yeah
ngivela khona la
I understand.
indevu zami ngo 2020 zazinjani
Usacha umjolo kuphela lapha ungaqala i-podcast.
zazinjengenzinza zika
ubelimi liyatwa yini usasemncane wayifitha ukuthi ube layo usunayo manje
utayinziza
usayi
And then she posted that
that
she shaved, and if you want to see it, you have to pay.
Sign doesn't care, bro. She
No,
was
like-
posting stories. Vele khona pale sithi
Yeah.
alright.
I think mina ngiyamncanywa for doing that bro mawusubona vele sokuchilo already bro
You must
right.
Omunye umuntu omepo njengothuli wayeqa usifaka istatement hey we are aware of the social media
Yeah.
illegal
Aware?
osayini ndoda belitshela
mana kuchethi vele i-ghost nama-ghost ngubani ukijile
yeah kijile
no yeba i-ghost stay into the skin
ayifanani lo kijile
sokuthola amangero lawana
ayira ekuthabo
epose lapha ngicela lokhu ngicobhoda phela ushayira wathi
Oh, guys, did you see Loving David Gatabo
wenzingani
Besta?
check something lapho udlula
kijile
Did you see Loving David Nandi Palo Besta?
abakulesidliso lapha
Yeah,
As a
bro.
nginqatshela nekhoti
Unandi bamdisa.
esidliso lesiya
Alamhlekefika.
akathethi lokela kwenzi lokuyana mina ngithi ngiyibukele ivideo ngathi lo kulomuthi la
Yeah, lapha kulo muntu.
that's all it is dog
Ubestile imali boss. Ubele bemali izinto zayishotayo boss.
ulamanga to yafoma
Oh.
hey because that's not the first time he's listed those things
Tshone nganqinjela nekhosi.
yo thandabona there's too much at stake nabona ukuthi bele khayela nama googly eyes there was just too much at stake mina ngathi hayi
Yo.
ubesta first time ezebanje ukuthi indaba yakhe tricky because lawo le criminal he listed things that were close to at least 12 million in cars what a listing eziningi but he
No. I'm not talking about assets aphandle. Like izinto bem apprehender.
angiyali listen
Like
to the
clothes ayelazo ethi kasazoba.
first time watsho njalo labana bathu lamanga lo he didn't have those things so like wayesesithi vela nje sebezithethe bona obviously bakwazi into ezikho illegal sebezijontshile but into bezingaka so I'm saying this is not the first time he has come up with a list of things that were apparently taken
from him.
Okay. And the other side is saying and yena futhi nje career criminal udume uqamba amanga about what he owns so now we don't know what he's lying or not
But he's always rocking Louis.
Yeah.
Small street to best ebefike lo mbantu.
Kbrizzy
nanti
wambulala.
uyafika lo
Nambi usejele.
Nganjela nekhosi.
Yes. To miss into ecourt. Phela chuthi la se church bayamisa labantu.
yi forever yena
But kulento esiyichileyo before
Kulo muntu
sivalelisa
opost forever yena ku status of one of my people I know, one of the people I know. Opost forever yena bamemdampa the next day.
Shame.
forever in the day forever in the day
Bamdampa the next day.
Shame.
awusiyani liyabona ebulawayo lani libukeli
I know ngevela nisitshengise
hey
lana.
ama something
Ayikho kulo member one kuphela wabamba ivombi waphinda
Waphinda
delete.
yi-
ngitshele something here's something I wanted to say I think ngayenza interview bembuza ngesikhathi yakho ngaba le beef khona ngathi distract lana about 2 or 3 months back but I didn't want to talk about it on the show because I didn't want to give that boy a platform.
Yeah.
So I was being interviewed and they were asking me, Uguti, yeah, but it was a moment and then it's gone. So what's next? Because you niggas just doing this. Yeah, which is it 3-4 days and then my point was, but that's how you build movement through moments. Yeah, one Uguti Garden of House gives us something to talk about for a week. Yeah. Next week kuphume something. Next week kuphume something. Ebulawayo. Abanye abantu aba on the scene aba participate aliliki manudes alijayane ebhawa do something
Yeah, le into demfuna ukukhuluma egarden of house. Anzange ngabona abantu besilwa bro.
Yeah.
Anzange ngabona abantu besilwa.
ngiyacabanga abantu abalwanga ngole event
Hey bro.
Yeah, akula abantu balwayo.
besidlalela ingabuye egarden of house ngoba sile crowd right ngale ngaliyo lizawuya likala umsindo
Lebenze lisilo.
Lizohlupha.
But i-Garden of House abantu bathi bakhumbuza like i-Manj before it became Manj. La ile vibe njani yakhumbula
That's the
sasamba
reason I go to Manj now.
hillside
so it's on
DMs.
the way to
Tin Cup and
being a
Yeah,
big manch
if
Boy
'cause-
manje Tin Cup 2019
Yeah.
yeah,
That
imagine
was the
njalo
vibe.
with good vibes, bro.
ubungekho wena ngathi thini kade
Kungasayi
I'm saying
hero.
Manchester. I'm like Manchester, bro.
But
This is, I
manje-
don't go because of Gwele, you know.
Bulawayo is too small. I think I'm giving Garden of House 3 more editions and then it becomes big like Manchester and
mina
then
ngithi 2
things go haywire.
mina ngithi on the third one
Yeah,
Vele
man.
even
I'm saying
even
give
the
them
next
2 more from this.
Yeah, like uzabona next one how big it's
Same
gonna be.
venue. It's
gonna be
I'm
crazy.
next
Venue.
second
They'll
one.
now have to change the venue of course.
Niyabona
'cause
imali bro
Do they
comes
need
into
comes
play.
other things.
Like imali ingangena vele picture bro. Like
Garden
But-
of House,
but wouldn't it be
Garden of
wise?
House
I
is
have a question
3 more maybe
yeah,
lapha.
so fuck you.
Wouldn't it be wise
When
to
it's a child, my
hike
aunt
the
was Garden
price?
of House. Give us a
Wouldn't it be
shit.
wise to hike the price rather than have the wrong crowd in the name of making money?
To
I'm saying-
hike the price.
I'm
No,
saying,
no, it's
I'm saying alilwanga. I'm saying akulwanga. I want abalwanga.
Yeah, walong.
Because you
All I'm
know,
doing, I think,
because
for me,
the
I
crowd
yeah.
yakona is easily, you know. But when the crowd becomes bigger, that's when.
So we are mapara.
So yeah. So would you rather have it grow in that manner, or the more people come, you then start increasing?
Hayi je abantu
Ngase
babeza
segregate.
abantu
So
kutshela
you increase the
Kuyaba
ticket
leso
price.
wethu kuze ni garden of house.
Hayi
Do
sethi
you increase the
sethi
ticket?
sicela ingoma zakho eziyi5 ozithandayo
No, do you increase
eze-Afro
Uthenga iticket.
ngawungiyela
Do you increase the ticket
Back
price,
up.
or what? What do you do?
Mina, I think-
Because if he's gonna go the Manchester route,
lalela
yeah.
futhi
Yeah.
abantu vele bazakulwa dog laphana maybe we were lucky it just happened to fall on a good day statistically
Yeah,
people always go lalela
ever fought vele khona ngale. It's a 4th edition. If people ever fought there.
angazi
No, I've attended all the editions. No, there was just a minor squabble in the previous one, but it was just some people were actually coming to get people there.
so lokuyana nje abantu bayathanda lasekonka majenso lokho akona ukuthi kuthiwa i-price ngakhwela abantu abalo people are just always gonna fight wena you maintain your standard you keep doing what you're doing and you present that environment and hope for the best bro
Yeah, lezinye izinto abangezayo
event
bazicontrol.
elezidakwa there is no telling ngathi abantu besilwe chechi you know what I'm saying so
i-podcast le yadiplomat nabanye sebesise-camp meeting
yebo
sebese-camp meeting kanti Maforty share the joke phela
No, there's something. Someone is asking in a WhatsApp group if people have ever experienced this, right? So apparently this guy is saying, I was going for foreplay, right? As I was playing with the head teeth, something milky, hot, and sweet came out springing into my mouth. I had to swallow. She had a 1-month-old baby.
Damn, bro. Let's close the show.
karasila ngumuntu ya isibale ngumuntu wayazi into ayenzayo lo wayazi into ayenzayo lo uyasaba ukuthi uCherry Rose ahambe sithi ubhutilwana wamunya ngeplan so he's trying to beat the story secha ikijile
yeah yabonga guys
Yeah, shout out. Yeah, we're cool, bro.
My mama's house, we finna get some for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready?